Ever fumbled for your wallet at a checkout line, phone clutched desperately in your other hand, muttering a silent prayer that Apple Pay will magically appear as an option? We've all been there. But what if your go-to financial app isn't exactly a banking giant? Fear not, fellow tech-savvy spenders, because today we're tackling the question, does Apple accept the KOHO card? For those unfamiliar, KOHO is a financial app designed to simplify money management. It offers features like budgeting tools, round-up savings, and, you guessed it, a prepaid MasterCard. But with a growing list of digital wallets and a financial landscape that seems to evolve daily, compatibility can get confusing. So, can you ditch the plastic and rock KOHO with Apple Pay? Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. The good news. Let's start with the good news. In 2020, KOHO announced fantastic news for Apple Pay users. KOHO cards, both physical and virtual, became compatible with the platform. This means you can ditch the physical card for everyday purchases, tap your phone, and enjoy the seamless convenience of Apple Pay. Here's the breakdown. Adding a KOHO card to your Apple Wallet is a breeze. You can either do it directly within the KOHO app or through your Apple Wallet itself. Both virtual and physical cards work with Apple Pay, offering flexibility depending on your preference. Security is top-notch. Since Apple Pay uses a unique device number instead of your actual card details, your financial information remains secure even if your phone gets lost or stolen. Potential hiccups. While adding your KOHO card to Apple Pay should be a smooth process, there can be occasional hiccups. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. Verification might be required. During the setup process, KOHO or your bank might need to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure and usually involves a quick phone call or email verification. Check your card status. Ensure your KOHO card isn't locked within the app. A locked card won't work with Apple Pay, no matter how many times you tap your phone. Update those apps. Outdated versions of the KOHO app or your iOS might cause compatibility issues. Running the latest versions ensures everything works as intended. Beyond Apple Pay. KOHO isn't just about Apple. The good news is that your KOHO virtual card also extends its reach to Google Pay and Samsung Pay. This means you can enjoy contactless payments across a wider range of devices, regardless of your phone's operating system. KOHO and Apple Pay, a winning combo? Absolutely. KOHO's budgeting tools and Apple Pay's convenience create a powerful combination for managing your finances on the go. Whether you're a seasoned Apple Pay user or simply looking for a way to streamline your wallet, KOHO offers a compelling option. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.